Welcome back to The Home Bartender. My name is Anne. I appreciate every single one of you coming today. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell to put me into your feed. I upload new videos every Friday. This cocktail is called the Monkey Town. I follow Prince Corner Bar and you should as well. That is where I found today's recipe. I'll put his information below in the description box. But let's go over the ingredients for the Monkey Town cocktail coming up next. You will need 1.5 ounces of Monkey Shoulder Whisky, 1/2 ounce of Vecchio Amaro del Campo, 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of Orgeat, and today we will garnish with almond slivers and mint. All right, let's build this cocktail, starting with 3/4 ounce of Orgeat. I'm using the Liber & Co. today. That's kind of my go-to at the moment, but you could use Small Hands or Liquid Alchemy. This one has a really nice almond flavor and a sweetness that I like, or you could make it. So then next we're gonna have 1 full ounce of lemon juice. After that, 1/2 ounce of the Vecchio del Amaro del Campo. I don't know how to say it properly, but we'll get 1/2 ounce of that in there. It's really sweet, but it has a nice bitterness to it as well. I think it goes really great in this cocktail. And then 1.5 ounces of Monkey Shoulder. This whiskey is not super peaty like you would expect Scotch to be. It's more on the malty side, which is really great in this cocktail. It's a great sort of starter Scotch, and it's not overpowering at all. It's got a very subtle flavor, so it's great for this. So let's get some ice into our mixing tin. Shake this up. Then I'm gonna just pour this into my glass. Get some ice over the top. Then let's get some mint in there from the side here. Wake that mint up a little bit. Get it in my glass. Get a few slivered almonds over the top, a Surfside Sip straw. There we go. That is a Monkey Town. Okie dokie, I'm going to try the Monkey Town for you now. I love the slivered almonds right on the top. They are toasted, and you really get that at the beginning, and the mint is really nice as well. I love that Amaro. It is so nice. It is bitter, but still sweet, and then that lemon comes in, which is really great too. The Orgeat does come through a lot. It does bring an almondy flavor and a nice mouthfeel, and it's very sweet as well. Then that Scotch, it's not really super peaty, like I said. It's a very well balanced drink. It's a very subtle flavor, and I think it's a really great cocktail. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you use a different whiskey? And follow me over on Instagram at The Home Bartender Anne. Thank you to Prince Corner Bar for today's recipe. His page is Prince_Corner Bar. He has a great page, and you should check him out. I will put his information in the description box below. I'll catch you next week for another great cocktail. Join me then. Be well.